Hey guys, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be doing for you today is a quick, simple breakfast. I'm going to break out my little baby lodge, my little 6-inch, and I'm going to make a quick breakfast before I have to head off. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. This month of April, Sean from Shovelhead 8, he has the Cast Iron Wednesday challenge of your favorite breakfast. And this is one I cook real often, usually in the house, you know, before I go to work. But today I came outside, fire up the camp stove, and we'll see how it turns out on the camp stove. Well, let's get to cooking.
I apologize for this part, folks, but I bought a new lapel mic to help my sound quality on my videos, and like the dummy that I am, I forgot to plug it in for the first part. But what I'm showing you is my 6-inch lodge, and to show you how small it was, I held the bowl over it that I had my 3 slices of bacon in. So what I'm doing right now is I'm throwing in 3 slices of bacon, and I'm going to fry it up real quick.
Alright, I got this bacon for the most part done. Like I said, this was 3 pieces of just regular bacon. It wasn't thick cut or anything. Just the store brand. And I'm just going to move it, put it in a bowl for a minute. I'm going to leave this bacon grease in here because I'm going to throw some hash browns in. And I really want those hash browns to soak up that bacon grease for the flavor. I'm not going to put a whole lot in. These are frozen. I'm just going to... Woo! By the way, bacon grease is flammable, in case you was wondering. Yeah, this 6-inch skillet's a little bit small for this big camp stove that I have going, but hey, looks cool. Hopefully you guys can see that on the picture. But yeah, that flamed up pretty good. But let me get these hash browns going. And if you guys enjoy my videos and everything, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, if you hit the notification bell next to the subscription thing, you'll get notified every time I'm doing a cook. I try to put one out one a week. Sometimes I miss a week or whatever. It just depends on how everything goes. But let me get these crisped up and I'll be back with you here in just a few. Alright, I've got these hash browns going pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do, I've got some of this Frank's Red Hot Original. It's the seasoning they make. I'm just going to dust some on the top. I really like this stuff. I like their liquid too. It just adds a little extra flavor. Yeah, get that mixed throughout those potatoes. Go ahead and add this bacon back in. Get that heat just a little bit lower. All right, this little 6-inch skillet's holding this nicely. And then what I got is I just cracked 2 eggs. I put some salt and pepper in there. I'm just going to pour those 2 eggs over the top. Go ahead and bust the yolks up. Kind of mix it together a little bit. It's already setting up on the bottom. I'm probably going to get a little bit of sticking because this pot was hot. Probably because I don't have it centered over this flame. I should have got my little camp stove out. It's kind of tough to do with this big one, but I think I'm going to add just a little bit more of this Frank's. Just dust the top. I'm going to let that sit there till the eggs set up, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, the eggs are set up nicely. I'm going to turn this heat off. Just going to slide this over to the side for a second. Just set it right there. People have asked me about my seasoning and stuff, and just to show you guys firsthand, turn that upside down. As you see, I haven't scraped anything. Right there is what my pan looks like. I got about a 2-minute cleanup or less. If you take care of your cast iron, it'll definitely take care of you. This is what this looks like. This is definitely going to fill me up before I go to work. And I'm just going to add one little thing to the top. And you can use your favorite hot sauce. I use everything from sriracha to the Frank's hot sauce, but today when I reached in the fridge, that's the first bottle I got. So a little bit of Texas Pete on the top of this. And I'll be right back with you guys with my taste test. All right, guys, I don't know if you can take a look at that, but man, this is one heck of a way to start the day. Before I do my taste test, like I said earlier in the video, please go check out Sean at Shovelhead8. I'll leave his link down below. Check out Dee at Native Tearz. She's the one that has the Cast Iron Wednesday playlist. Check out everybody else that's in the Cast Iron Wednesday crew. I mean, there are some amazing recipes out there. But man, I got to be heading off, so I better get to eating. Very good. Of course, I knew it would be. I've made it 100 times, but very simple. Hash browns, bacon, and eggs. 3 ingredients. If you guys are camping at your house, doesn't make a difference where. It's simple to do. Most of my recipes are real simple. I like it that way because I'm definitely not a chef. But remember, guys, even during these trying times we're in right now where you're supposed to stay at home, you can still get out and grill. Get outside and cook. Go hike a trail out in the woods. You can be 6 feet away from everybody there. Well, everybody, please have a blessed day, and thank you very much for watching my video.